Good morning. I'm at it again. I'm up and ready to go to walking. But first, I have to drink my breakfast. Now, I've been drinking this Live Well, will Live Better for a while now. And I like the energy it gives me in the morning. Now, it doesn't have that taste that a lot of people are looking for, but it does well for me. Now, it just takes a scoop and 8 ounces of water, and I put a little collagen in it. Now, some recognize that some say or recommend, but not recognize, but recognize. But anyway, yeah. Some ask that you drink collagen every other day, but I put a little bit. I put like half of the dosage in every day, so kind of like balances out. If you drink it every other day, you get the full dosage. But I drink half of it. I try to drink half the dosage Monday through Friday. I try. Sometimes I just go ahead, like I put some in it yesterday and today, and then tomorrow I may not put none in, and I might put some in the next day. So now I have my watch. I need to put that on to track my steps. Now I had a Fitbit, but it went out, and my husband got me this, and I'm pleased with this. And then I put on the strap here, because when I walk with my phone, I record a bit with my phone, but then I put my phone in here as I'm walking. So it kind of keeps me well balanced. So I have my Bluetooth in because I'm going to be listening to a book today. Hopefully it'll play while I'm walking. Sometimes it'll play and cut off, but I really want to listen to the whole book. So I'm trying to get into listening to it while I'm walking in the morning as well. I know that's a bit much to talk about, but I'm going to drink my breakfast, and as soon as I finish my breakfast, then we'll get out, okay? And we'll talk a little bit while I'm walking this morning. Let's get to drinking breakfast. Okay, we're coming out through the garage. Really nice day out here. It's not too hot, it's not too cool. There's a light hand weight workout and a bit of stretching, whatever. That's what I'm going to attempt to do today, to do the little bit of weight lifting. Not really weight lifting, it's more of a workout with light weights. Trying to throw curves into this workout system. It's a plane. Airport is not that far from us. Well, it's not that close either. But it's a pretty day out. I got the sweat vest on. So, trying to help a girl as much as possible. I should have got it in a smaller size. It's not doing exactly what I was hoping it would do. But I'm going to keep talking to you. It's a white truck here that I haven't seen out here before. You know, I'm suspicious of people. Alright, I finished my walk, and I did walk a block farther than I did yesterday. So I'm proud of me. My legs are like jelly right now. And I'm exhausted. I'm going to go in and drink my water, and we'll see what goes on with the rest of the day. See you soon.
If you want to see more, click on the videos listed below